Hey guys, so I'm moving to Japan and I need a new laptop and this just came in the mail today. So I'm so excited to do an unboxing video with you guys. Up until this point, I really didn't need a laptop because I have a pretty powerful PC. However, I will not be taking my PC with me to Japan. So when I was shopping for a laptop, I knew I needed something as powerful or more powerful than my current desktop. So for reference, these are the current specs to my current desktop. So anyways, let's get into unboxing this bad boy. So this is going to be a Lenovo Legion Slim 5 Gen 9 AMD 16-inch with an RTX 4070. And the processor is going to be an 8-core processor. It's the AMD Ryzen 7. And it has 16 gigs of RAM, a terabyte of storage, and was it 2050 by 1600 display? So, all right, all that came in the box is the laptop itself and the charger and the rest of the charger. So it looks like it's a 3-prong, so I'm probably gonna have to get an adapter for Japan. I'm not sure if my apartment has 3-prong, so I just hope it gives it enough power to turn on. So let's take a look at it. It's beautiful. I love this sort of like frosty gray with the mirror Legion. It is thin, it is slim. It's like about as slim as my nose. So let's look at the ports on it. So we have an Ethernet, an HDMI. Looks like this is the charging port. We have 2 USBs right here. Over here we have a SIM card slot. And okay, over here is 2 Type-C's, headphone jack. So yeah, so far it looks like a pretty nice laptop. And I love that it has the Ethernet port for it. And it feels really sturdy. And this is what it looks like inside. I love the keycaps. I love that it has a nice big mouse pad. The screen looks really nice. See if it has some power. So I had to change the angle here so I can plug it in. So we already see the RGB backlit keyboard. As you see, it does have a number pad on the side. And we're just going to go through setup now. What language to use for your second keyboard? I imagine I'll be typing a lot of Japanese emails, so Japanese. Okay, so it's updating and installing the latest features. So we'll check back on it here later in a bit. Okay, so let's talk about the price. So how much did this cost me? This cost me $1,259 US. I ordered it directly from the Lenovo website. I think for the price, this is really, really good. It's very powerful. So some of you may be wondering, why do I need such a powerful laptop? Well, one, I do a lot of creative work. Currently in the States, I am a web designer and logo designer. However, I won't be doing that in Japan. I will be teaching English, so I will be creating presentations, PowerPoints, creating graphics for the kids and stuff like that. Also gaming, we're gonna use Adobe. So if you've ever used any Adobe products on the laptop that was not that great, you know it will slow it down and sometimes even crash it. So I needed something that had power that can run Adobe. By the way, speaking of Adobe, what are we switching to? Because my yearly subscription is up in September and I'm definitely going to cancel. So I'm looking for alternatives. I pretty much dabble in all of them. I dabble a little bit in 3D, Photoshop, Illustrator. I don't really use InDesign anymore, but I did use InDesign a lot when I was doing publications. So yeah, what are we switching to? Just let me know. And also I'm going to be new to video editing. So yeah, what are we switching to, guys? Anyways, it looks like it started back up. So just your standard Windows 11 screen. So I'm gonna jump in and play with it. But however, anyways, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And if you're interested in following my journey to Japan, go ahead and subscribe. And in the comments, let me know what your thoughts are on this computer. Let me know what kind of laptop you're taking to Japan, if you're going to, if you're in the JET program, or if you're headed with the JET program. Yeah. So anyways, see y'all again next time.